Hello everybody. In the previous video we solved the problems with zeros being alpha and beta and an unknown quadratic polynomial. Here unknown quadratic polynomial is nothing but the coefficients are unknown. So therefore in the same way here also in this video once again we are taking the general form of a quadratic polynomial and finding, we will calculate what is the value of alpha square plus beta square. Here alpha and beta are the zeros and alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, alpha cube plus beta cube, 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube, alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. But before I start the solution, I request you once again, please share my video, subscribe my video and put likes. And if those who are interested for online tuitions, please mail me to this ID. madanbelluri@gmail.com, and again I will post this even in the description also. So first coming to this, whenever you are doing quadratic polynomials problems, first thing is first we have to write the quadratic polynomial what is given. So here given f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and after this what we have to write? We have to write the sum of zeros or product of zeros, but before that we have to write what are the zeros. So given zeros is equals to alpha comma beta. Okay, now after writing the zeros, already I told you sum of zeros. So sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Next, product of zeros is equals to alpha beta, that is c by a. Okay, now by making use of these two we will solve all the, we will calculate all the values, five values. So here first alpha square plus beta square. So first alpha square plus beta square, in the previous video itself we have seen what is alpha square plus beta square. So a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so here in the same way alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so minus b by a whole square minus 2 c by a. In exponents we have one formula, a by b whole power n is equals to a power n by b power n. The same formula we are applying here, since a by b whole power n is equals to a power n by b power n. So that is equals to minus b whole square by a square minus 2c by a. Okay, now most of the students what they will do is, see I will give an example, minus 2 whole square and minus 2 square. There is a lot of difference between these two. Why? Means when you are keeping the brackets, that means this square is applicable even for this minus. So when you are writing minus 2 whole square, that means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 square means minus 2, this power 2 is there only for the base 2 but not for the sign. So minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. So in the same way here also minus b whole square is b square by a square minus 2c by a. Now LCM for a square and a. LCM for a square and a will be, let us take one example. Take one square and take square root of that. Means 4 and 2 if you take, LCM will be what? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are, so 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So LCM will be 4. Take 9 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 9. That means when you are taking a number and its square, for finding the LCM will be the square of that number. So in the same way, here also a square and a, when you are taking, the LCM will be a square. So here LCM will be a square. So here a square and here also a square. So a square by a square will get cancelled. So we get 1. So b square into 1 minus, now again divide a square by a. So here it will be, now a square means a into a by a. So here 1a and 1a will get cancelled. We get one more a, the leftover a, minus 2c into a. So that is equals to b square minus 2ac by a square. So this is your alpha square plus beta square is equals to b square minus 2ac by a square. Okay. So the next one is what? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So second one, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So LCM for alpha beta will be once again alpha beta. So here alpha beta by beta. So beta and beta, this alpha numerator is the LCM and the denominator is denominator of the first fraction. So beta and beta cancel. So it is alpha. So now multiply this alpha with alpha plus beta into, once again, alpha beta by alpha. Alpha and alpha cancel. So it is beta. So beta into beta, so that is equals to alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. So just now we got what is alpha square plus beta square? B square minus 2ac by what? A square, right? By alpha beta. Alpha beta is what from here? C by a and this a will get cancelled. B square minus 2ac by a by c, get this one here. So b square minus 2ac by ac. So this is our alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equals to b square minus 2ac by ac. Clear? So now let us go for the third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. Now alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha cube plus beta cube. Here we have to apply algebraic formula, that is a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, we have two formulae. One is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, or a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So here if you take this formula, so a plus b is nothing but alpha plus beta, but alpha square plus beta square, again if you substitute that b square minus 2ac by a square, that will be very big complicated. So let us go for this one where we have all simple formula simple applications, that is a plus b is minus b by a. So alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay. Now alpha plus beta is sum of zeros minus b by a whole cube minus 3c by a into alpha plus beta minus b by a. Right? Now this cube we have to distribute to the numerator as well as to the denominator. So that is equals to minus b whole cube by a cube minus into minus plus 3c into b will be 3cb by a into a square. Now here same denominators a cube and a square. Now just substitute a as 2 and check what will be the LCM. 2 cube comma 2 square. 2 cube is 8 and 2 square is 4. So when you take LCM for 8 and 4, what do we get? LCM will be 8. So that means when you are taking LCM for a cube and a square, LCM will be a cube. Okay. So that is equals to LCM is a cube. Now minus b whole cube will be minus b cube plus, now here a cube, so it will be, numerator will be the same. Now here the denominator is a square and here denominator is a cube by a square. So just expand them, a into a by a into a and a cancel, so you will get a. So plus 3cb into a, so here it will be minus b cube plus 3abc by a cube. Still we can write it as 3abc minus b cube by a cube. Okay. So this is our alpha cube plus beta cube. Next, coming to the 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. So what do we get here? Fourth one, 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. Now take LCM, we will get alpha cube beta cube, and here in the numerator we get beta cube plus alpha cube. Now beta cube plus alpha cube is nothing but, this is what we have to write, 3abc minus b cube by a cube by alpha cube beta cube is nothing but alpha beta whole cube. So alpha beta whole cube, so that is equals to 3abc minus b cube by a cube whole divided by alpha beta is what? C by a. So c by a whole cube, once again 3abc minus b cube by a cube by c cube by a cube. A cube will get cancelled, so that is equals to 3abc minus b cube and the denominator is c cube. So this is our 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. Clear? Now the last one, alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Now fifth one, alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Now take LCM for alpha and beta. So we get alpha beta. So here alpha square will be getting multiplied with alpha plus beta square will be getting multiplied with beta. So that is equals to alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha beta. So already we have alpha cube plus beta cube is 3a BC minus B cube by A cube by alpha beta will be C by A. So here 1A and here 1A will get cancelled. So that is equals to 3A BC minus B cube by A square by C. Get this C here. So that is equals to 3A BC minus B cube by A square C. So therefore alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha is equals to 3A BC minus B cube by AC. So with this fifth one, today's problems all are solved. Okay, thank you.